Hello everyone, Ahsan is here. Hopefully you are doing well. Recently I made the post on my LinkedIn profile regarding the rendering issue that we faced for one of our clients. And because of that issue, we struggled a lot because most of the queries of our website went down because of that. So in this video, I will show you the exact step-by-step method how you can check the rendering of any page from the search console and then inspect your desired URL. In this case, I am checking the home page for this video. We need to check the live latest version of the page. For this, we can check the test live URL from here. So after the test, we need to go to the view tested page from here and then copy this HTML code from here and move to the page that you are checking for the rendering. Then go to the inspect and then go to the edit as HTML and then make sure all the code is removed and paste your copied code here. So here's the thing you need to check. If the page is showing perfectly fine after performing this test. Like there is no messed up in the menu, or there is no messed up in the photos, or or the alignment is seems very perfect. So it means there is no rendering issue on this page. So you are good to go. But if you found any issue like the messed up of the menus here and the fonts and the photos and the alignments of the things and the sections are disturbed very badly, so you need to check your plugin or is there any problem from the server of the website. It could be the case, it could be anything. It could be like there is a confliction between there it could be like there is a conflict between the plugins and things like that. So you need to make sure the page is loading correctly according to the Google sees our page in a coding form, not like this. It is a very short thing that can be overlooked, so be careful. Hopefully you will find my video helpful. So if you have any query or suggestion, you can comment me below. It is the end of this video. Take care all.